Everybody, and welcome. Steve from OpenBOM here, and welcome to a video on getting the sizes right with Fusion 360. I'm going to take a few minutes longer here. It's going to be a little bit technical, but the outcome, I want to demonstrate how OpenBOM gets the proper sizing of all your components in Fusion, regardless of the rotation. This is sort of a new behavior beginning in March of 2024. So I'm going to take you through just some simple things. I'd started with a complicated, like real design, and I set it all down because I want to just focus on the behavior. You can see here I've got a sketch that's 1 by 2, and it's in the top plane. I'm just going to create a solid out of this, and I'm going to make this an inch thick. Okay, so really simple here. I've got a 1 by 1 by 2 rectangular box in the world coordinate system X, Y, and Z. So if I turn that into a component, we'll be able to see that if we check the properties on that, we will be able to see that its size is 1 by 1 by 2. And if we check its bounding box, which is its position in space, it's 1 by 1 by 2, and those are the values that come through as length, width, and height. Okay, so now let's think for a moment that hey, maybe maybe my components aren't living in the world coordinate system, which is sometimes the case. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to do a move on this. I'm just going to do a simple rotation through all the axes. I'm going to rotate them all here by 45 degrees. And so what we'll quickly see is that, really nothing about this component anymore is in the world coordinate system when we turn off the sketch. All right, so we can see now that this thing is just kind of positioned in space. If I came back here and using the Fusion properties dialog, I can see that, the thing is rotated in space. And if I check the bounding box, however, I see the bounding box has got some weird numbers in it. It's lost track of the actual size. So if I was outputting the sizes using these numbers, I'd get some strange numbers. They wouldn't be the actual size of the component. But with OpenBOM in the March release, we've fixed that. So I want to show you how that works. I'm going to run over here, just create a BOM real quick of this Fusion sizes test document. And what you will see is that even though Fusion is kind of showing you some strange values for the rotated sizes, which we get from the bounding box, you'll see that OpenBOM now gets the proper sizes. So if you're building a fence or you've got a pattern of some other things, or you've got anything that has components that aren't aligned to the world coordinate system, you'll now get the right sizes. So let's take a look. Sword comes to everybody. Okay, so what we'll see now is that I do get the proper sizes over here: length, width, and height, 1 and 1 and 2. So that's the March release. It's in production right now. I believe that is release number 3265. So make sure you get that. And the headline here is that we get the right sizes for rotated components. So give it a look. I'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.